Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to get the Blossom Frozen Aura in Sols RNG. To start your journey, you need to find the Lime NPC. She's usually located right next to Jake's workshop and is easily recognizable by her festive Santa's hat. This friendly NPC holds the key to your quest, as she will provide you with a series of 4 unique quest lines. Successfully finishing all of these quests is the essential first step to earning the special medal you need. The path to Blossom Frozen involves several stages of the festival preparation quests. The first stage requires you to roll 5,000 times and collect 10 each of Ruby, Sapphire, and Emerald auras. Moving on, the second quest escalates to 50,000 rolls, 20 solar auras, 3 flushed auras, and 1 exotic aura. Finally, the third quest is a significant grind, asking for 250,000 rolls, 3 bounded auras, and 100 each of Star Rider and Starlight auras. The ultimate challenge lies in the fourth quest. Here, you'll need to defeat 30 players, roll 20,000 Glacier auras, and 700 Permafrost auras. To speed up this extensive process, make sure to use powerful potions like Warp and Transcendence to boost your roll speed. Additionally, enhance your luck with various potions and strategically position yourself in specific biomes, such as the snowy biome, to increase your chances of rolling those rare Glacier and Permafrost auras. Once you have diligently completed all 4 challenging quest lines from the Lime NPC, your efforts will be rewarded. You will receive a special winter medal. With this medal in hand, head over to the Frozen Gem area, which you can easily find near the leaderboard. There, you can exchange your hard-earned medal. This exchange will not only grant you the beautiful and exclusive Blossom Frozen aura, but also the additional Frigid aura, completing your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.